Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add doors and windows on our 3D model. We will use this time the 3D warehouse on SketchUp. In the last video, we have created the 3D wall. This time, we're going to download doors and windows for this 3D wall, and we will load it directly at the 3D warehouse. You click 3D warehouse here, automatically it will bring you into the 3D warehouse homepage. But if you have not yet signed in with the Trimble on SketchUp, a message will pop out like this, and it will ask you to sign it with Trimble or create a Trimble ID, or it will ask you to sign in with Google, with Apple, with Microsoft, or with Facebook. In my case, I have signed in with Google. When you sign in with Google, automatically it will lead you into the 3D warehouse when you click or when you open the 3D warehouse icon. And this is now the 3D warehouse homepage. And in here, you can just type anything you need for your 3D model. Here, I need a door component. So I type dynamic door. Then click search. In here, you can find many door designs. But I want to choose a dynamic door that is suited to my design. For this example, I will use this dynamic door. You just click download here, and it will ask you if you load the door directly to your SketchUp model. For this example, I will load it directly to my SketchUp model. And here, the door is loaded directly on my SketchUp model. So I will move this and put it at the door opening. In case the door you have downloaded is larger than the door opening, you can resize that by using scale. Click the resizing handle here and then move to the size of your door opening. Just move that and then copy by pressing Ctrl. Then move to the other door opening. Then use the rotate tool to rotate the door. Then move. Again, in case the size of the door is larger than the door opening, you can resize that. Now we have added already dynamic doors on our 3D model. Let's add also dynamic windows. Let's go back to the 3D warehouse. Then search for dynamic windows. Then search. This time I'm going to download this one. Then click download here and then load this directly into your SketchUp model. And now these different dynamic windows are placed at our 3D model. What we are going to do is we right click that and then explode. Then select the most appropriate window that you need. In this case, I will select this one and move it on the window opening. And then using the resize tool or scale, I will resize the window. Then make a copy by pressing M. Then click Ctrl. Then resize it by using scale. You just copy these windows and place it to the other window opening. Then now we are going to fill all the window openings by copying the window, the type of window that we want. We are going to rotate this one by using the rotate tool. Then move, then resize. And also with the high window here, we're going to select this one. Then rotate, then move, then resize. Then we will make a copy and put it right here. We're going to rotate this again, then move, then resize. So we have added already dynamic doors and windows on our SketchUp model. And we have used the 3D warehouse to download these dynamic doors and windows. And now, what are you waiting for? Start your exciting experience. Select your favorite components at the 3D warehouse now. This has been my video tutorial on how to add dynamic windows and doors on your SketchUp model. I hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe the video to get you notified once I upload videos on SketchUp. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.